Hey everyone! Today we're going to be exploring how to cultivate positive thinking and improving your well-being using insights from science, philosophy and psychology. We're breaking it down into 3 easy steps, so let's dive in. The first step is cognitive restructuring. This is a term from cognitive behavioural therapy, or CBT, that helps you change negative thought patterns. So here's how. Spot negative thoughts. Notice when you're thinking negatively. For example, thoughts like, I'm not good enough. Being aware of these thoughts is the first step to changing them. Mindfulness and self-awareness play crucial roles here. When you catch yourself in a negative thought loop, pause and take note. Challenge these negative thoughts. Once you've identified a negative thought, it's time to challenge it. Ask yourself, is this really true? Look for evidence that supports or contradicts this thought. Would I say this to a friend? Often, we're much harsher on ourselves than we would be on others. Could there be another explanation? Maybe there's a different way to look at the situation. After challenging the negative thought, replace it with a positive or more balanced one. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, try, I have my own unique strengths and capabilities. This isn't about ignoring problems, but about finding a healthier perspective. Try keeping a thought diary. Write down negative thoughts and go through the steps to challenge and reframe them. This practice can help you become more aware of your thought patterns and gradually shift towards more positive thinking. So why does this work? Well, research shows that CBT can really help reduce depression and anxiety by changing how we think. When we change our thinking patterns, we can change our feelings and behaviours. Studies have shown that people who practice cognitive restructuring experience lower levels of stress and improved mood. For example, imagine you have a big presentation at work. Your initial thought might be, I'm going to mess this up. By identifying this negative thought, challenging it with questions like, what evidence do I have that I'll mess this up? And have I done well in presentations before? Then replacing it with a positive thought like, I've prepared well and I'll do my best. You can reduce your anxiety and increase your confidence. Step 2. Philosophy. Embrace positive realism. It's about seeing the world as it is, but focusing on positive outcomes. This philosophy blends a realistic view of life's challenges with a hopeful outlook, encouraging you to find constructive ways to deal with difficulties. Be honest about your situation. Don't sugarcoat it, but don't be overly negative either. Acceptance is about recognizing the truth of your circumstances without judgment. It's okay to acknowledge that things might be tough. While acknowledging reality, cultivate a hopeful outlook. This involves believing that good things can happen and focusing on solutions rather than problems. Hope is a powerful motivator and can keep you moving forward even when things are difficult. Set realistic goals and take steps towards them. Even small actions count. Positive realism isn't just about positive thinking, it's about taking practical steps to improve your situation. This could mean breaking down larger goals into manageable tasks and celebrating small victories along the way. Every morning, acknowledge any challenges you face and think about positive ways to tackle them. Keep a journal for this. Writing down your thoughts can help you process your feelings and develop a clearer plan of action. Combining a realistic view with optimism helps reduce stress and boosts resilience. When we acknowledge our challenges but remain hopeful and proactive, we're better equipped to handle adversity. This balanced approach can help you stay grounded while still striving for positive outcomes. For example, let's say you're dealing with a financial setback. Positive realism involves acknowledging the reality of your situation, but instead of getting stuck in despair, you look for practical solutions. You might create a budget, seek advice from a financial advisor, or find additional sources of income. By focusing on what you can do rather than what you can't, you maintain hope and take control of your circumstances. Step 3. Use positive psychology. Finally, let's dive into positive psychology. It's all about using your strengths and doing things that make you feel good. Positive psychology focuses on what makes life worth living and how we can build on our strengths to achieve a fulfilling life. Use tools like the VIA Character Strengths Survey to discover what you're good at. Knowing your strengths allows you to use them more effectively in your daily life, leading to greater engagement and satisfaction. Practice mindfulness. Spend 10-15 minutes a day on mindfulness meditation. Apps like Headspace or Calm can give you guidance through this. Mindfulness helps you stay present and reduces stress, allowing you to better manage your thoughts and emotions. Try acts of kindness. Simple acts like complimenting someone or helping out can boost your mood and connect you with others. Kindness not only makes others feel good, but also enhances your own well-being. Try taking the VIA survey and use your top strengths daily. For example, if one of your strengths is creativity, find ways to incorporate creative activities in your routine. Start a daily meditation practice. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Aim for one act of kindness each day. It could be as simple as holding the door open for someone or sending a thank you note. Research shows that these practices can make you happier, less stressed, and more connected, using your strengths to help you feel more competent and engaged. Mindfulness reduces anxiety and improves emotional regulation. Acts of kindness increase your sense of connection and overall happiness. For example, imagine you've discovered that one of your strengths is kindness. You decide to volunteer at a local shelter once a week. This act of kindness not only helps others, but gives you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. At the same time, you practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress, and you use your creativity to bring joy to your volunteer work. Putting it all together, here's how to integrate these steps into your life. Number 1, daily routine. Start with mindfulness, use cognitive restructuring during the day, and end with reflecting on your positive realism journal. For example, begin your morning with a 10-minute mindfulness meditation to set a calm tone for the day. As you go through your day, pay attention to your thoughts and use cognitive restructuring to challenge any negative patterns. In the evening, spend a few minutes journaling about your day, acknowledging any challenges and reflecting on the positive steps you took to address them. Number 2, weekly check-in. Set aside time each week to review your thought diary and journal, reflect on your progress. This could be a Sunday afternoon ritual where you look back on the week, celebrate your wins and plan for the upcoming week. Ask yourself questions like, what went well this week and how did I handle challenges? And step 3, share the journey. Talk about these practices with friends or join a group. Support from others can keep you motivated. Sharing your journey not only keeps you accountable, but also provides you with additional perspectives and encouragement. You might start a group chat with friends where you share daily mindfulness practices, positive thoughts or acts of kindness. There are loads of groups like this on social media, so get stuck in. There are loads of sustained benefits to doing these practices. Regular practice can lead to lasting changes in your mindset and overall quality of life. The integration of science, philosophy and psychology offers a powerful toolkit for personal growth and resilience. Over time, you'll likely find that you're more equipped to handle stress, more optimistic about your future, and more connected to the people around you. So a final thought, by regularly practicing these steps, you can create a positive cycle of thinking and acting that improves your well-being. Combining insights from science, philosophy, and psychology gives you a comprehensive, holistic approach to living a happier, more fulfilling life. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on cultivating happiness and living your best life. See you next time.